Alzheimer's. This is a mouse strain mutant, genetically modified mouse strains that has been designed to develop naturally Alzheimer's. By age 6 months, 5 to 6 months, they have developed Alzheimer's. So the 3 lines here, we have control types of mouse, Alzheimer's mouse with injection of GCSF, meaning twice they release the animal's own stem cells, and then Alzheimer's with injection of saline. So at 1 month hold, they basically put them in a maze and count the amount of time that it takes for the mouse to find the food. So they start at something like 14 seconds, and after 4 trials, they pretty much steadily take 6 seconds to find the food. Now, 5 months later, at 6 months, they do exactly the same protocol. So in green, you have your control, Alzheimer's type mice that will not reach below 10 seconds to find the food, but if you simply release their own stem cells, they behave exactly like a control mouse. And again, we've seen the same kind of things in human.